5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop.
There's a term that was coined a few years ago. Everybody refers to it as the solar coaster. Industry has been very, very resilient. The demand for photovoltaics has been steadily rising. However, not every module maker is the same. There are some who use substandard materials to try to cut costs. And when you do that, you introduce a much higher risk on the quality of the modules. They can't catch on fire, they can endanger people. PV modules have to undergo standards to prove that they are reliable and that they will continue performing. And that's what we do. At Retc, we test a module and we will rate the module and tell you exactly how much energy it will produce, under what conditions it will produce that energy.
Customers send us panels to test and we give them the final report whether the panel is good quality and it's reliable. We provide real-time feedback. You don't have to wait like 3 months, 6 months and then find out at the end that something went wrong and it failed.
There are environmental tests, there are thermal cycling tests, etc. My favorite tests, obviously the ones that make the biggest bang. But the tests that really reveal the most damage in the modules tend to be the quiet tests. You put a module inside a chamber, you close the door, and you forget about it for 4 to 6 weeks. And then when you take it out, you start seeing all the damage that may have occurred in the module. We want to make sure these systems are tested beyond what the manufacturers are doing, beyond what the certification is calling for.
A big hurdle is bankability, that the banks and financial institutions and developers need to be comfortable that the modules are indeed going to last the warranty period.
今後もですね、さらに太陽光の世界っていうのは広がっていくというふうに見てます。長期信頼性の試験っていうのはまだ行き渡ってない。この世の中に入る太陽光パネルはですね、全て信頼性のあるものと実証する。それが低炭素社会の実現っていうのに大きく寄与する。
It's not always easy to face the customer and say, I am sorry, but your product has failed, but you have to have the courage to do the right thing.
Everything is a challenge, it's exciting. And at the end, if you see the setup up and running and everything's working perfectly, you feel good.
There is no, it's not my fault. We tackle each and every problem together. We're all accountable for the work that goes out the door. And that is something that we live by every day.